Hi, today we will try to learn how we can code and input our questionnaire data to SPSS. First, we will try to learn how we can prepare a code book in MS Excel. Then we will try to learn how we can input such coded data to SPSS. Let's start with the questionnaire. This is a sample questionnaire. Now in this questionnaire we have total 10 questions starting from 1 to 3. These starting 3 questions are based on a nominal scale and remaining are on Likert scale. Now how we can code our data in Excel? First we have to prepare a code book for our questionnaire. For example, question number 1, variable q1 label age. This question represents the age. What is your age group? There are 4 age groups here, from 18 years to 29 years, 30 years to 44 years, 45 to 59, and over 60 years. Similarly here we coded the values for these 4 groups. 1 is equals to 18 to 29, 2 is equals to 30 to 44, 3 45 to 39, 4 value is for over 60. Total coded values are 1 to 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Scale type is nominal, there is no decimal value here. Second, we have a data. This is the data which we have collected with the help of that questionnaire. Our first respondent answered the question number 1 as his age is between 30 to 44. This group has a coded value 2. Then in data we have coded it as 2. Similarly we have coded all values. Now our next step to start with SPSS. Now we are going to input our first variable data q1. Now this is the type numeric, don't change these things. Label is age. As we can see here in our code book, label is age. Now next things, we have to set the values in SPSS. These are values. 1 is equal to 18 years to 29 years. 18 years to 29 years. Add 2 is equals to 30 years to 44 years. 30 years to 44 years. Our third coded value 3. 3 is equals to 45 to 59. 45 years to 59 years. Last, our fourth coded value is above 60 years. Above 60 years. Then press add. Now we have 4 coded values, 1 2 3 and 4. Now press OK. Then there is no missing. Now the next step is the measure. The values were measured on the basis of nominal scale. So we will select a nominal from here. Next, come to the data view. This is our variable Q1. Now simply copy the data from Excel. This is our coded data. Simply copy the data from Excel to here. Now our first variable is ready. There is another method. We can first copy data from Excel to data view of SPSS. SPSS automatically generate a variable var tetra 017. We can simply change this here as a Q2. In a code book we have a variable Q2. Variable label is marital status. Just paste marital status, or we can type here. Next step, we have to set the values. One is equals to single. So label value 1 is equals to label single. Add this. 2 is equals to merit, and 3 is equals to widower. Okay. Last step, we have to set the measure. This is a nominal scale. Now come to the next variable Q3, which is education. Copy data from here. Paste this data to the SPSS. Then change the name of the variable to Q3. Input the label. What is the label of this? Education. Input the label here. Then set the values. 1 equals to metric, 2 intermediate, then 3 bachelor's, and 4 is master's, 5th one is above master's. Okay. Last measure is nominal. Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is based on interval scale. These values are Likert scale. 1 is equals to strongly disagree, 2 is equals to disagree, 3 is neutral, 4 is agree, and 5 is strongly agree. Total coded values should be from 1 to 5. These values are based on interval scale from question number 4 to question number 10. These all are based on interval scale. Now we are creating a variable Q41. Now put label here. Now values. 1 is equals to strongly disagree. Second one is equals to disagree. Third value is equals to neutral. 4 is equals to agree. 5 is strongly agree. Okay, now at here, in previous three questions we selected a nominal. This is the interval scale. Here the interval is the, we select scale option for the interval. Similarly, we will input our all data here. Now we have inputted our all data to the SPSS from question number 4 to 10. All are interval scale.